Hey guys, welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 game development live stream where we're back in Project Hero, creating an action-adventure game using Unreal Engine 4, C++, Blueprints, of course, and the Gameplay Ability System plugin. So the last few weeks or so, we've been working on fixing our project because we hella broke it. But we're finally we're pretty much back to where we were before. So now I want to kind of work a little more on our character creator aspect of it. So I want to see like what exactly we can do. So first I want to be able to press a button, for example, like, I don't know, not tab, I guess, but I don't know. Maybe we'll say G, and that'll open up our character creator customization, and we can kind of go from there. So I want to get a couple things. Obviously, we have to work on a UI. But we also have to work on a camera animation. So I want to kind of research this a little bit. So how can we get a camera animation? Do we have to use sequencer? Yeah, camera animation class is probably what I want.
Tomatoes.
So maybe we can look into this.
Hello, welcome to the video for what is class, the camera anim. Let me fire up a quick little example so I can cover what we're going to cover. When I hit play anim, we are playing a camera anim, and that's it. The camera anim is basically a matinee recording or a cinematic recording of animation and other various changes to a camera that you can play on the current.
Because I think what I'll need is like in my player character to have like some sort of scene component that kind of just tells me tells it to like move to this location. So maybe I don't need this. Let me see, UE4. I think I actually bookmarked something in our tasks. Oh yeah, we did this. Mark that as complete. Nothing really. I thought I had something. But there should be a way to do this. So I think I would want to handle this more in the player controller because we're gonna have to like spawn UI at a certain point. So let's do that. And it does get a little dark in my room right now, so let me just pump up some lights. Make it nice in here. Boom. I know green screen today. I don't know, it was kind of lazy. It's really hot and that kind of like makes me kind of lazy. So also we need input. So change character we have, we'll just call this open character creator. And we said G for now. Where's the letter G? There we go. So open character creator. We could just pop in a print string just so we know that it's working when we eventually get to it. Now, so like get camera manager. Okay, so we can access the camera. Now, is there like a move? Okay, let's look this up. UE4 move camera to location, for example. Is there that sequencer? How to move camera with blueprints might be something. How to reset position might be good. So that's set active location. That's set relative location. I don't know if I want to do that. I feel like there should be like.
Welcome back to the.
Let's skip ahead. All right, so it resets. So reset camera. Okay, so it's doing the timeline, and it's using. I don't know. There should be. I feel like there should be something that exists that's like better than move to actor. UE4 camera mount. I know there's a specific. There it is. Smooth camera transitions. Bump this up. So move component. Okay. Now, is there like a camera? Well, there is a bunch of stuff here. Add. So get camera location. Start matinee. Stop all instances. Some modifiers. I don't want to do that. Get camera. I feel like there should be a way. All right, there is a transform component. Move component 2. Let's just see if this works. We're gonna do target relative location. We're just gonna see what happens when I press G. Okay, nothing. I guess it's because of the relative. So let's do 10, 10, 10. Let's see if this makes a difference. So G. Alright, so that's not moving me at all, is it? Alright, let's make these values drastic. Okay, so yeah, it definitely doesn't do anything. So can I get... What can I get here? Get camera. So I can get the player camera, but I guess I have to get pawn? Get player pawn? Is that what I do here? No. So there should be a way. UE4, get camera from camera manager. I don't think this is gonna help us, but we'll look at it anyway. Yeah, nothing that I can really do. So he's doing it in the character itself. I don't know if I want to do that. Maybe I'll have to. Move component 2. So it does have a completed callback. So maybe all right, let's try this. Let's actually do it in the character. Open character creator. Of course, put a print so we know that it's working. And then we have a camera. I don't know if I have to do it with the spring arm. That'll be another question. And we'll do something ridiculous, of course. And then we'll print completed just so we know it when it completes. Okay. So it definitely did something. Okay. But I wonder if we have to do the spring arm. Okay, definitely not the spring arm. Now, is there like toggle? I forget, like, name of this function. Flip flop. So we might want to do something like this, like event begin play. Might want to get the camera location. Okay, get actor location, get component location. Okay, so get world location. Maybe I could do something better. Get camera manager. Get camera location. And store this into a variable. Default camera location. And then we could say, let's create a new component. It'll be a scene component. And let's say we want to do it like this. And then we'll say, what? Get world location. I guess we could do something like this, like switch. No, select. Select by vector. Oh, excuse me. So if it's A, we'll do this. If it's B, we'll do default. And kind of just push that through. Let's see what happens here. Oh, so I press G. All right. There is a way to convert UE4 convert world location to local location or to relative location. Convert transform to relative. So convert relative to world. We just got to do the opposite. No? So just gonna be going over some vector math. Or vector world location, blah, 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 blah. Okay, get world transform. Okay. So maybe I have to do, maybe the player, get world transform. Get actor transform. And then is it like transform location? Maybe something like that. Okay. Now, the inverse transform. Okay. That's right. But there is some sort of like camera offset that I'm doing, right? Yeah, socket offset. Is there a way to just temporarily disable spring arm? Disable spring arm. I mean, can we literally just disable it, or like, because like a spring arm has activate. Can we deactivate? Oops. So deactivate this bad boy. Let's just see. No. So I don't think maybe move component 2 is not really the way to go. Maybe we do have to use the timeline. That's unfortunate, but let's try it. Yeah, we want the hello. Let's make a timeline. Character creator camera timeline. So we'll move this over here. And we want to just say play here and reverse here, most likely. And then there should be like set actor or set location. And there should be a lerp. But do I want to do the alpha that way? There should be like F enter ease in and out. Like, does this have to be the alpha? It's like literally like I want this to be, for example, like 1 second long. And it'll literally go from here to here. We can just no curve. Linear, and this could be what? So both of these are gonna be 1. We'll say oh, camera time. Like, can I do something like this? Like, this is the alpha. No. Is there like V interp? There has to be V interp. Yeah, something like this. So this is delta time, I guess. We'll say this is 1. Something like this. And the target for right now, it's going to be this world location. And let's see what happens. Okay, so it does work. So we can probably change this to set world location and rotation instead. And move it, then pretty much do the same thing. Can we do so we can do ease. Alpha is this. A is gonna be what? Get camera rotation. This is gonna be get world rotation. Okay, that's just spazzing out. Alright, it's not letting me. Oh my god. Oh, why? Yeah. I don't need the camera anyway. Yeah, world rotation. Okay, so you guys aren't seeing what I'm seeing, so that's interesting. So let's just bring that in and see what happens. Okay, so that didn't work. Okay, can I just set rotation like this? Just to see if it works. Okay. Let's make this 100 and see what happens. All right, so it's really not doing anything. Which I'm not too sure why. All right, it definitely moves there, okay. Okay, let me set rotation. Like, I don't know if I want to do world rotation or if it's gonna be relative at this point. So we'll try both. So we'll do something. Um, so it really doesn't do anything. World, at least. Whoa. Oh. Let's try relative. Let's not worry about the animation. Let's just see if the camera actually rotates. No. I mean, let's teleport. I don't know if that's gonna make a difference. G, no. UE4, how to rotate camera. Okay. So for me, this video is blank until I move it onto this screen. So something's going on with my monitor, but whatever. Let's see how he's animating. Camera, blah blah blah. Maybe I have to rotate. Or be Can I easily transition between two cameras? Maybe for transition between two cameras. Maybe this is the way I need to go. Yep. Okay, so he has some pictures. There's also this one. So showcase. Oh yeah, I can't. This is annoying. So he's creating the cameras, starting first person, main tutorial, okay. So again, using a timeline. Doing some weird shit. Is there really nothing to change camera? Sorry, I really gotta do it on this screen. So camera. Play camera animation. Nothing really useful. Let's start over. We'll leave this alone. Maybe we can do something like this. So new. All right, I really don't know what's going on with my monitor. Like, it's not showing everything correctly. Let me just save and reopen Unreal. Okay, let's try again. So we're in the player character. Okay. So that fixed it. So camera. So we can do camera. We'll call this character creator camera. And let's position this where we want. Now there should be a way to move this with me, like into perspective. I forget how. But let's just do something like this. And then we can, maybe we could try doing this. So, component move to. Again, this is relative. I hate how this is relative. So let me just do get relative transform and just see if this does what I think it's gonna do. So location and rotation. And then we can try it out. Let's see. So it kind of works. So camera's right there. Like, I just wonder if, like, the spring arm, it messes it up at all. Let's see. 'Cause they also do, like, activate and deactivate, so maybe we can deactivate this one. Let's see what happens when I deactivate this one. So I press G. Okay. That's kind of... But not really. But that's like bad. So switching between multiple fixed camera points. This could be something. So set view target. So what does he do to you? What do they do for set view target? Let's see. Set view target. And then let's just take off context sensitivity. So it's player controller. Get self. Get controller. What's this return? Okay. Get player controller. Runtime 1. Okay. Can I do, like, I don't know, this? Get mesh. Can I make it like focus on my weapon? Is there anything for actor? So this too isn't working in my favor, which sucks. And I can't like do this. View target. Nope. View target. Can I do camera manager class? View target. No. UE4 smoothly transition between player, character, player camera, and other camera, we'll say. Really like coming up empty with this information. Nope. So this is the one that I was watching earlier. So just possessing, so toggle input stuff, set world transform, blah, blah, blah. Definitely not what I want. Set location. I feel like I'm not asking the right questions here. UE4 switch between cameras. I think I already read this documentation, so that's bullshit. Ba-ba-ba. Toggle active. Okay. Okay, so that kind of worked. Set the view target with blend. Okay. So it has to be a child actor? Hmm. Can I do... Let me get the player controller. Do I get view target? So I can get this, so I can put it back. So maybe I could do something like default view target, camera. Oh boy. Shit went crazy there for a second. Then all right, let's BP character creator camera. It's kind of dumb that this has to be its own actor. I'm just saying. So camera. Okay. So child actor. Character creator camera. All right, then I have to get the child actor. Let's see if that works. Kind of. So let's make the blend time like 0.25 seconds. We'll do an ease in. Kind of fast. Maybe I don't have to do lockout going because I don't really know what that parameter does. No, okay. 0.65. So one. So that's just the ease in. So maybe I need an exponent. .75 and maybe like 3. That kind of looks nice. Let's do a flip flop. Select. No, I can't select actor, can I? There it is. So if it's true, and then if it's false. Press G. Oh, it's only A. Okay, whoops. Whoops. So we go boom. Now I don't know, like, what would be like the best position? Would it be like further away? And then as you kind of choose options, it moves forward more. And because it's a fucking child actor like this. Maybe the FOV can be more in. Hmm. I always forget which direction FOV is, so let me. Yeah, okay. Um. Let's see. Is that too close? It also depends on what my UI looks like. I also gotta disable input, of course. I feel like it should be a little further back and more to the left. Um, okay. I think for now that's all right. So since I do need the player controller, so maybe it turns out we do need to just do this in the player controller. So let's yoink this. Go into the controller. Paste. Also delete unused variables. Yes. Hold on, guys. Give me just a sec. Okay. So we're good here. So we're back in our controller. So We have this. We can literally just do set view target blend. Copy these. Ease in. Actually, I could just do this. Um, all right. Let's get player pawn, player character. Cast to hero. We're have to do the BP right now because everything is in the blueprint with this custom actor. Hero, player character. Now I should be able to do what? Get child actor. Now in theory this should work in the same way. Not the best, but not that bad right now. So we're good there. Now, I want to know if I should create like a camera, like data class. God, it's so hot. I think I will. So I already have a camera creator. So, I didn't mean to close that. Okay. So file, C++ class, data. Yeah, data asset. So hero, character, creator, camera data. Choose folder. I'll say camera data. Probably not a space in between. Okay. Oops. There we go. Create this bad boy. So maybe in this character data we can instead, well, we want to, yeah, we need to still have that child actor in our character. And we don't want, it should it always be there? Or do we want to actually like create the camera? Then after it's created, move to it. I don't know. We'll keep it as it is for now. So what should our camera data even have? Let's just close out of all this nonsense. No public. New property. What is it? Edit anywhere? Category. Goals. I don't know. Let's see camera for now. I don't even know what parameter we're doing. So the first parameter, we'll say blend time. So it's a float. Camera blend time. Okay. Then I kind of want to maybe have like the camera, some camera data exposed. So if we want perspective, constrained. So we'll probably do float field of view. We'll call it camera FOV. And then I probably would want to have like an array of vectors. Or do we want to have like a local vector for like each point? So for example, you want to start modifying the hair, the camera moves up to that vector. Maybe we should include UENUM. What are the enums? I forgot how to do the syntax for that. We have one in weather. Yeah, okay. So E. So E character segments, character parts. We'll say character parts. Yeah, I don't like it, but whatever. And then we'll just take this. So the first one is going to be hair. So we're going to do hair, head, upper body, lower body, hands, feet, back. So head, upper body, lower body, feet, hands, back. So head, upper body, lower body, feet, hands, we'll just do back. This is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then just to make it pretty and uniform. Okay. So that should be all well and good. Now, can I do a T-array and then a T-map of E character parts and F vector? Camera locations. So, camera locations. Let's see if I can even compile this. You cannot use raw enum type of the mover. Why? Oh. Okay, that's the syntax. Cool. Try again. Nested containers are not supported. Line 38. Okay, let's see. UE4. Make a. Oh, so UE4, C++, T-array, T-map. Or should it, like, literally, should it just be a T-map? Let's try that. Maybe I'm just, like, not thinking correctly. Okay. Of course. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's see if this does the trick. Okay. Now let's look at the actual data asset. So miscellaneous data asset, camera. So character, creator, camera, data. So yeah. Excuse me, sorry. Like, can I make this one and then add relevant? No. Is there a way to get past that? Team map cannot add new entry. Is there like an answer to that? Alright, so no answers for that. So we'll start with back. And then hands. Feet. Lower body. Upper body. Head. And hair. Okay. Now we need a place to store this camera data. I'm guessing we'll want to do it probably in the controller. Probably our best bet. So let's go into our camera or our player controller. We'll do another one. Property. Edit anywhere. We'll do blueprint. We won't make a blueprint anything. Category. Hero. Character creator. Class. So character, do something like that. Should be enough. I don't think it needs to be a T subclass of, but we'll check when we get in there. I really hate this chair. Okay, so we have the variable. Oh yeah, I also need to reset up our GitHub. Maybe I'll do that next time. Yeah, because it's already getting kind of late. So I might just be, this might be just a quick stream because there's other methods I want to possibly try. Because like ideally how I would want it to work is like this, like, you know, just like kind of rotates around instead of just kind of like passing through. But maybe I just kind of have to deal with it. Shh. But we're getting there. Hey Sandra, how's it going? I'm just about to finish the stream. Kind of tired. Didn't stream for too long, but I'm basically working on like the character creator part. So like you press G to get into that menu, and it switches the camera like this. I'm not too big of a fan of how that looks right now. And I wonder if I could turn on a light above the player when it turns nighttime. Kind of like in Dark Souls. No, thank you, Sandra. So basically, like, I'm working on trying to figure out how to, like, compartmentalize how I want it to work. Because, like, you know, once you get to this point, I want the UI to show up. And, you know, when you select, like, the head or the hair, the camera will animate to like the relative transform that it needs to get closer, and then if you do the lower body, upper body, hands, things like that. And like you still have control. So I should probably add a tag as well, just so we know when we're in. When we're in the character creator. Status in character creator. Okay, so we have a status for that. And we'll have to add that into code probably. Like, I don't know if I would want to make that an ability per se. That'd be kind of stupid. So I think I'm going to keep it as it is. But we'll need to add a gameplay tag. Get ability system component. And is there like tag? Is there like get tags? Let's just see if that works. Oh, I can't select my character anymore because enter is overwritten. Shit. Actually, I don't think my module is even working. So that's another thing. So is it under project settings? Gameplay debugger. Yeah, stretch is a good idea. These are extensions. All right, let me look at my other project real quick. Let me just see what its project settings are. Because I forgot how that's set up. That's fine. I don't want that open. Okay, let's see. Project settings, gameplay debugger. Those look the same. So disable, yeah. Input handlers, no. The next one, AI is -1, yeah. 2, it's behavior tree, that's turned off. Can I just copy? Alright, so my entire gameplay debugger doesn't really work. So that part is still broken. Fuck. Okay, so we'll have to fix that. My guess is I'm not including that module. Let's do a quick comparesies. So hero.build.cs, we'll just open this up. And it's Sublime. Okay, so that's fine. Let's look then in hero target. So we have hero debug module. So that looks to be correct. So that sucks. Okay, so hero debug module. Hero target, default build settings, yeah. Like there's hero, is there like hero debug module? No. That looks all well and good. So I can't say confidently why it's not working. Story of my life. I know there was stuff coming out in the output log. Let's say hero. No. Hero debug. No. So a bunch of warnings that I don't care about right now. Let me just do that. All right, so it's not included here. So that's definitely what the problem is. Oh, so E4 module not showing up when creating class, I guess is. So yeah, there's this tutorial that I just recently was talking to Codebreaker about. So like, yeah. So the U project file, Bing pod. Yeah, that's definitely it. Yeah, we're not including the debug module. So after hero, loading phase default, additional dependencies. Wow, it has a lot. I'm just gonna kind of take that. So AI module, that's definitely why that's why I couldn't find that information when we were looking with the Fox or whatever while we were trying to fix the project. So it's definitely a problem. Let's just see what needs to compile. All right, at least it compiled. Now let's play again. There we go. Yeah, so now that this is using enter, enter's not going to be able to switch the character, but when we're out of it, I think I can live with that. So own tags. Okay, so that function doesn't work. So we're gonna have to manually do that in code. I wonder why though. So add gameplay tag. Add a single tag to the pass and tag container. Do I have to do like set tags? No. Tags. No. So we're definitely gonna just have to make this in C++. Like we're gonna move everything to C++, but do C++. So we're gonna have to move this, like I just said, to C++. But we'll do that next time. And we'll probably first reset up our GitHub repository next time, because yeah, the one has an old build. So we'll have to do something. Maybe I'll just make a new repro. I'll also have to update the git ignore. That's gonna be fun. So yeah, I'll say that for next time. Maybe we'll do something over the weekend. I don't know. I kind of want to make a tutorial over the weekend, but we'll see. So that's gonna be it for this stream. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you on the weekend. Maybe we'll do another book club, or we'll do another stream or something like that. So thanks for watching. Have a good night. See you soon.